Autumn is nearly here. So, what do you like the most about the autumn? Because
Colors.
I like from the trees that falling.
Yes.
What is it?
Falling
Mm,
down. The
falling.
leaves.
Yes,
Leaves.
leaves, and I have guinea pig, and I throwing them around the guinea pig, and he's like, money. You know what I'm
Okay.
saying? So, what do you like the most? When I do that,
Mhm.
I play gospel music
Uh-huh.
in Hungarian language.
Okay.
You
Okay.
know, I'm just kidding, but what do you like the most about the autumn?
About autumn, I like the colors of the leaves, red, yellow, and gold. And walking because I live in Gdańsk in
Yes,
Poland.
very good answer.
Uh,
And in these videos, I'm rapping, so
okay.
I'm giving you my freestyle. Rapujem teraz som zastavil tú typku a dávame do hlavy fajnové bary, fajnové rapy, čo máme najradšej na tomto jesení, čo príde. Neviem G, ale je to super období, tomu ver, toto hovorím priamo z hlavy. Nemám hlavu kocka tu ako hranec, ako z Minecraftu a nie som blbec, a keď to dávam tak úplný koniec a rapujem to hocikomu jak tupec. Čo povieš?